Hello teacher and everyone. Today I will talk about Monday.com project management tool. I presentation depend on agenda 3 point introduction about Monday.com tool and demo Monday.com in website, and let's compare Monday.com with Asana.com. Okay, Monday.com is the easy work platform to manage any team and any project. Simply pick from a variety of templates or create your own workflow to get started. Change, plan, organize, and track your team project from the high-level overview down to the smallest detail. And I will demo Monday.com in website. That's the bug that you can see here. So let's talk about what avoid. Well, what are the head and the soul of the Monday.com platform? Can you it at a virtual whiteboard that you can use to track and organize all different types of information. We can create blank bar. We will give a bar from scratch. We can create a bar from the template which we have to look at, so you can see there are most popular template. Simple template. We can see our templates centered along the left hand side. You're going to see that we have the organized by industry. So if you want a little bit of a framework to get started, check great place to start, and I really encourage you to check them out. Okay, and then the other way that we can reach what is by importing data. So if you already have information in Excel or Google Sheets, anything like that, you can import it straight into Monday.com and create a bar from here. But today we are going to start from scratch, so we can go ahead and pick a blank page. Now you see that we're going to create our bar. We have 3 different options for our bar type. We can create a main bar, and they're going to be visible to all of our team member. We can create a private bot, and that's going to be only visible to the people that we invite. That means it's perfect for sensitive information like finance or budget. And lastly, we have our shareable bot, and shareable bot can be shared with groups outside of our organization, such as contractor or freelancer. So today, because we are going to be working with freelancer on our bot, we are going to go ahead and pick a shareable path. For now, let's go ahead and let's give our path name. So we are going to call it a project laptop management. Okay. Okay, you can see that underneath our path name, we have the ability to add a path description. This is where we can tell our team how to use the bot so that everyone is on same page. So let's go ahead and add in sample you this bot to plan for the laptop. Plan the laptop for Tuan IT. Okay. Right now we have a bot description. You see that when we open up our bot, we have to group on the bot by default. Now live bot group can be used for absolutely anything. In this example, we are creating a management project bot, so group are going to be the different tests of my management campaign. So we are going to have planning and development. Okay, and then we need one more group. So we are going to go and add in. This going to be our management stats. Management. Okay. And so you can see that inside a job we have item. Item can also be anything you want them to be. They are around that sit within your bot, and again going to go to the use case. Each item will be a different task that we need complete for our campaign. So let's go and add in example check laptop hardware. And to check laptop software. Okay. In development, we going to want to make price sell and try to buy. Okay, and when it go management in set information of the info. Okay, and also recently add new feature called sub item. Okay, you can add sub item easily by select them here. Sub items are going to give us the ability to add an additional level of hierarchy and granularity to our workflow. We use that to add in small one that we need to complete a task. So we are going to list all of the prior to sell in development group that we need to read have a table or more table compare price combo with or take 0. Okay, we have table compare right price with combo and assert item is table compare price thay giờ gì đâu. Okay, red and if you add sub item in right to buy with the table spending. Okay, now that you understand the box hierarchy, let's take a look at the column. So as you can see, our plot lot of different column and more column. As you can see, column center, more column. Okay, but today I will introduce and demo with 7 column, person, start, date, text column, number column, timeline column, and chat column. Okay, so the first people column. Let's start invite member to our bot. Example, I will call PR manager my team. I will PA team. Okay, you can see it's admin. Okay, we have 3 add example email member, you can add to about. Okay, can you in person column you can add your member for each task and anything that any task you want to your member do. Oh, my name is admin, not BA, city. Okay, and you can you also notify multiple people at same. Okay, so now have to sell it PA. Okay, let's go ahead look at our started column. Our started column, and it will work by giving us a list customizable color label, more traditional, as you to show the status of item on box. That's what we are going to use it for today. You can also use for anything else. Okay, done look. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to ahead and add in started for each my task suite. So now that we have our started column, let's move over to next column that we can see is our date column. So we are going to use it to assist a date that is the task on our path need to be complete. You can choose this up code to show any other days. I want to 7. And 8. Delete, sinh, chữa. Okay. Dịch it just okay, we can simply click and select the date that we could be like, and let's just finish that up. Great. So we're done, and take a look at the text column. Text column we add in by button add column. You can do this column record any write then information that we need to it could be written number, it could be location, anything that you want to in. Okay, today it is going to be a good play for us to add in any short note. We go ahead and we rename it to note. Okay, and let's go hit and add in timeline column. Timeline column it a little bit like our date column, except it's going to let us to assign us to access a specific date range to it. So we can do that by selecting the range to this, but we like can just start popping so in. You see that it's going to color in timeline page. We are so if it's something in past, it's going to kill in that time. If it's still in future, it's going to leave, but you can see, as you can see exactly where within our timeline, and I will add in for the line. She said and Julie. Okay, so now it's 7. Measurement 46. Okay. Now let's check our chart column. Chart column. Yeah. Chart are really rich column because they allow you to create a set of pattern that you can use to group items together. We can use this to touch out line name, for example. So let's go ahead and create our Tuan IT tag. Okay, and we can use on tag our project, but I want to next tag is Tuan top. Okay, and you start for tab Tuan IT node, and you can add in add in laptop. Okay, and the benefits of having the chart is that we actually to be able to find there when we do outside everything, which we take a look at in little bit later. That means that if we have lot of different project running. Okay, now the last column is number column. Number column can use to track lot of different information. Today we are going to use track the number of house that we want to take on each of our project. So let's just bubble, and you can see that by default it's going to start to summary the number in each of my group, so I can see that I'm going to need sig out for my planning. Yeah, and sig out for planning, and 7 out for development, 3 4, and it has summary development for my project, and it that 6 out. Timeline okay. Oh, good suggest. Okay, you want to add 6 out for management. Okay. You can see I just review and demo 7 column, and you can see my what with the name project laptop management. And let's take a look at what view. And what view allow us to visualize our data in different ways. They read way to see information about the project in like this. Let's go and take look at the timeline view. I will timeline view have some anything you want to, and you fit in a main table, and here we are going to let go of the timeline, and we can you can drag it here, drag and drop that around within in the timeline. Okay, and we recently really go into that going above our timeline even more, that in the setting it's our color by filter now, color by allow to decide that we want to color in timeline view. We can see each coloring by people person column. Okay, so as your my resume file that you can load group with many items. Each group keep your batch organized example, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that we keep our batch organized. So let's say that we need to move something from our first group to our second group if it's a single item. Example tag. We can easily drag group it between group. Here I want to add in management. Okay, and we can see we can also do through is multi item, and to do that we can select item and you choose move to, and you want to move or move what. Okay, I demo with click to move to management. Okay, and rope planning not have item, and I can done that. So okay, I will move back. Okay. Monday.com versus Asana is become a more popular version as Monday.com continues to grab market share. Both are powerful project management system, so it definitely worth taking a look at how they stack up against each other. For our comparison of Monday versus Asana, we'll take a look at the score feature the both systems in addition to how they handle interaction and price. Monday Asana offer on basic feature you expect from project manager system. Well, we will focus on task management, portfolio management, and portfolio management. Monday doesn't necessarily let you create tasks. Instead, the system lets you create both, which can be anything you want them to be, included full flavor, name, ribbon, team member or started, deadline, and dependency on other full if you want. Asana take a more traditional approach you to create a project and then add that to it. Like Monday.com, you can exit that to team member, set deadline, attach file, and started anything else. Okay. Both Monday.com and Asana let you manage workflow by visualizing pull and that respectively. Monday show on and you can view between Gantt chart, map, and mouse to see quick overview of your project status. Summarize charts. Asana let you see tasks in different views. You can show your tasks and list Chọn chat căn bản but deadline Monday you can drag and drop that and change deadline within any given view. Okay. Project portfolio. Have Asana offer a true project portfolio management feature. You can see this portfolio. This feature works similar to feature regular project management, but it lets you zoom out of the day workplace sheet big picture. Okay. And with on monday.com, select add project with portfolio. Instead of offering a glass portfolio view of Project Monday, let you create group for your project. They can use for regular project. Using Monday for project portfolio management means making a great group for your portfolio simply match a pool for everyone of your project and add them to this group. Okay. And Monday currently offer little over 20 integration in addition to its own API. This leads integration include Jira, Slack, Google Drive, Shopify, and more. Asana had a bit of an edge here, offer over 100 integration and an API. They include Dropbox, Slack, GitHub, MailChimp, and Adobe Grid, Cloud, and so on. Monday offer a 14-day free trial with for tier. Asana offer premium tier for up to 15 users as well as free tier. Asana costs more than Monday, and if you interested in the enterprise plan offered by both vendors, you will need to contact a sales team. Okay. Thank you very much for listening.